Ulitin ko lang ma'am, the decision of the PAMBI was based on their na the area is titled property before the
Pag
law.
titled property ka, bine-brainwash na kita. Kahit titled property yan, pag yan ay nasa protected area, you are not allowed to do anything with it nang hindi nyo kinoconsider yung protection of the protected area. Hindi absolute ang power mo. Malas ka na ang iyong lupa ay nasa protected area. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede yun. Dapat i-brainwash mo sarili mo. Huwag mo sasagutin ng ganyan. Kasi kung hindi ka na dapat nag-supervisor ng protected area. Hindi ka marunong. Bakit mo sinasagot ng gano'n na siya may-ari ng property, he can do anything with it because that his titled property? Hindi. Pag ang titled property mo nasa protected area, you're not allowed to do that. So ano ang ano mo? Ano ang ano mo? Resume mo para ikaw maging PASU. Nasaan yung PASU? Wala yung PASU. Ikaw yung protected area supervisor. Assistant
Return.
PASU. Walang PASU.
Actually at that time the PASO is our senro si Laurentino Bautista, but he was already retired.
So ikaw ang paling PASU.
Sa ngayon, hindi ako paso, ma'am. Paso
Ano
pa
ka?
rin. Assistant
wala
pa rin,
ka
ma'am.
ng PASU.
Meron naman yung, presently, the paso of Chocolate Hills and other protected areas of Bohol is under our Penro, si Penro Ariel Rica po.
Local yun.
Yes po.
Local.
So, under DNR po.
O
Penro.
ngayon, ano ang mo, capability mo, Iha? Sabihin mo sa akin.
I am a
Natapos mo, ano ang experience
I am a
mo?
forester by profession, ma'am. Then,
Saan ka
forester by
nag-graduate ng
profession.
forestry?
Graduated in University of Bohol, Tagbilaran City, way back 1984. Then, I was connected by then Bureau of Forest Development pa as technician, ISF technician or the social forestry. Then until the reorganization na napasok na din sa DNR. And now holding salary grade
84.
15. Yes po,
1984,
ma'am.
how old are you?
I'm already 59.
You'll be retiring.
Yes po, ma'am.
So, your experience all your life is forestry?
Not, I'm also assigned in planning for
So, ano
mga
sinabi mo sa
almost
kanila
10
nung
years.
ipinipresent mo yung pagtatayo ng resort sa Chocolate Hills? Ano
Ac-
sinabi mo?
Actually, ma'am, during the deliberation is as secretariat, I'm just only taking down notes of the proceedings. Then, as I understand, the approved said project because it is within the titled property of the proponent and the location is within the multiple use zone. And beside,
Hindi mo naisip na pag you're doing it in a protected area, the major consideration is if it
Yes,
adapts
ma'am.
to the protected area.
Yes, ma'am, I know that the project is within the protected area, but then
That's a different story altogether.
No-
It's not anymore a business. It's meant to enhance the protected area.
But then, yes, ma'am. But then, I understand
Ano ang
that the PAMBI, because in our law, we also in Rule 22 of the IRR it is said that we also respect the vested rights of the proponent.
Ano?
So, the
We
vested
respect-
right of the property owner.
When you're in a protected area, the first consideration is the protection of the protected area. It's not the right of the homeowner. Malas ka kung ang lupa mo nasa protected area.
Yeah, yes, ma'am, but maybe it is also
Ma'am,
the
question lang ho.
Yes po,
During
ma'am.
the hearing, hindi naman ho kayo nagsalita at nag-present doon sa during the PAMBI meeting. Did you make any presentations?
Hindi po.
So who did the presentation?
The committee chair presented the project.
Si Kapitan.
Yes po, may hindi yung presiding officer.
So sino nag-present?
Yung chairman ng committee po.
And during the presentation, ano yung, meron ba dong explanation kung ano yung negative, positive effect nung itatayo dun sa in between the Chocolate Hills? May ganun ho bang study?
They only presented the project.
Wala yung mentality
What
nila na it's
kung ano yung
protected
kung
area.
ano yung na-present ng proponent, then during sa inspection nila,
Wait, so
Tanggalin mo
so
na
technically
yung
ha, parang lumalabas sa PAMBI hearings, you don't provide a study of the negative impact or kung walang negative impact, ano yung walang ganong presentation?
that is why, ma'am, after the issuance of PAMBI clearance is they also required to
The ECC.
secure ECC.
You know, pero ang sa akin lang ho, kasi dapat dun sa PAMBI level pa lang, we already provide the members technical knowledge dun sa i-approve nila na bagay. Kasi kung hindi rin pala natin binibigyan sila ng explanation kung ano yung magiging impact dun sa protected area, di parang walang sayang lang yung hearing na gano'n because we're not yun na nga, giving them knowledge kung ano ba yung implication na i-approve nila. Kasi kung ganyan, lahat na lang ng PAMBI hearings ma-approve na yan. Kasi wala naman palang ganong discussion or exchange.
If I may be allowed, ma'am, no? The board, the PAMBI, is allowed to create committees, no? In the committee, may role din yung PAMO na mga staff, no? They are to provide, of course, the selection of the members of the committee and the chair of the committee. Kung ano yung kanyang committee, yung meron siyang relevant training, profession niya, ganun po, no? And then, our staff.
Hindi, for example nga ho, Yusek, kung yung committee chairperson for in this instance, I would assume barangay captain yung committee chairman. Tama po ba?
Kaya nga po ba, I'm going further, is that it is also the duty of the people at our PAMO to give timely
And
relevant
and in
information.
this case, was that given?
I'll give this back.
And in this case, was that given? That timely, ano yung sinabi niyong word? Timely,
Relevant
ano yan?
information.
Relevant
for
information.
Decision making.
Was this given dun sa mga members ng PAMBI?
Yes, ma'am.
Given.
Yes, ma'am.
So, dun sa presentation, sinabi niyo kung ano yung magiging negative impact?
Kasi before they presented the project to the in-bank is they conducted site inspection, the committee. So during the site inspection,
At ma'am,
they discuss-
babalikan ho natin kaya very important for me yung DNR. Kasi it's more than just looking at it. Diba? So dapat pag-aaralan nyo, pag naghukay ba dito, meron bang matatamaan ba yung Chocolate Hill or... So I think for me, very important is the scientific study nung project. May ganun ho bang ginagawang scientific study in our protected areas every time na may itatayo tayong structure?
Ma'am, meron kaming request for a stopping pattern. But let's go to the field, no? Ngayon, ina-assign lang namin doon sa PAMO, yung mga technical people. Every protected area, may kanya-kanyang objectives, no? May kanyang trait,
Excuse me,
may
Yusek.
kanyang...
Hindi mo pwede kanya-kanya eh. We
No, no,
only
I-
have
I-
one objective and that is
ibig
to
sabihin, yung
protect.
specifically, like Buri Island, protected landscape, iba ang pinag-uusapan doon.
Hindi, pero lahat to constant yung protection.
Yes po. So
Kasi
we
parang
see to
lumalabas
it.
ho dito, mas nagfo-focus tayo dun sa multiple use.
Like this one, Chocolate Hills. We see to it that the people we assigned at the PAMO, assisting the board, have necessary training to be able to give, to educate the members of the PAMBI.
So, is it safe to assume that the PAMU gave a recommendation na okay lang magtayo ng resort dun sa in-between ng Chocolate Hills?
Hindi naman ako yung nag-approve, ma'am. So as I said, ma'am, as I am only the secretariat during the meeting. So the decision,
Wala kayo lahat para yung mga barangay captain, para sila masisi. Hindi nyo ba sinadya yun?
hindi naman, ma'am. Andyan. Kasi mga, actually,
Ako, kilala ko mga barangay captain sa amin, hindi naman nila alam ang environment. City pa kami, ha? Lalo na yung barangay captain sa probinsya. Ano nalalaman yan sa environment? No? Bakit mo pababayaang sila mag-decide? Ba't hindi kayo nakialam?
But yung nga, yung information na yun,
Ordinary
kasi
people,
parang,
hindi man-
yun na nga, parang hindi na-capture ng supposed to be may technical capability yung negative impact ng project sa Chocolate Hills.
Hindi niya nga, tingin niya, ari niya,
Ang
you can do it.
lahat yung mga negative impact, ma'am, pag may ICC, makapture na yon.
So, di ba parang sayang lang ho yung, bakit naghihiring pa tayo sa PAMBI? Kung on that level, dapat nagsa-start na yung protection on that level.
That is mandated by law, ma'am, that all project shall pass through the PAMBI.
Iyon na nga, pero parang nagiging mindset nyo, all projects na dumadaan sa PAMBI for approval. But on your level, pwede nyo nang pwede nyo nang itigil yung project eh.
Ulitin ko lang, ma'am, the decision of the PAMBI was based on their, na the area is titled property before the law.
Pag titled property ka, bine-brainwash na kita. Kahit titled property yan, pag yan ay nasa protected area, you are not allowed to do anything with it nang hindi nyo kinoconsider yung protection of the protected area. Hindi absolute ang power mo. Malas ka na ang iyong lupa ay nasa protected area. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede yun. Dapat i-brainwash mo sarili mo. Huwag mo sasagutin ng ganyan. Kasi kung hindi ka na dapat nag-supervisor ng protected area. Hindi ka marunong. Bakit mo sinasagot ng gano'n na siya may-ari ng property, he can do anything with it because that his titled property? Hindi. Pag ang titled property mo nasa protected area, you're not allowed to do that. It should be analyzed if that would be it will have a negative impact on the protected area. Ikaw pa naman ang supervisor ng protected area, ganyan ang mentality mo, kaya nagkakaganyan ng mga protected area. Mali yan. Mali yan. Hindi mo i-reason na it's a titled property. Malas ka na yung titled property mo nasa protected area. You're not allowed to do that. Yes.
I-correct ko lang po yung kay Madam Senator. We're talking of PAMBI regular meetings, hindi po hearing. So, i-correct ko lang po. Meetings lang po.
Nag-approve sila eh.
Yung nga po, it's a regular meeting, ma'am.
Miski regular
Yes.
meeting yun.
Correct ko
Baka
lang po.
meeting na
Yes.
hindi nag-approve sila eh.
Yes,
Kaya
ma'am.
natin tinatanong what happened during that meeting because in-approve nila yung
Yes, ma'am.
resort. It's not an ordinary meeting. If it's just an ordinary meeting, wala tayong pag-uusapan dito.
Ma'am,
It's the meeting that
yes.
approved the resort.
That's right, ma'am.
Oh.
So, but let me siguro raise a very important issue. This is a realization in the implementation, which may have been the major cause for these problems coming out as a result of issuing clearances by way of the PAMB and the issuance of ECC. I think it is the understanding of our implementing arm, the DNR, and yung PAMB, on the zoning. I think we will really seek, and that's one of our recommendation for the law to a law to be provided in terms of zoning, because our understanding is subject to private rights, but within the bounds of the IPRA. And that's the reason why we have all these settlements under the multiple use zone, because I believe they are also provided with rights, considering that they were there prior to
Actually, Asek, wala naman hong issue yung mga, I mean, for me, yung mga settlements, ang problema ho natin itong mga resort.
Yes. Ang dami po kasing nakalagay din sa law.
Alam mo, kung yun lang settlement,
Yes.
and then nagtatanim, at yung mahihirap na tao, wala namang issue eh. Pinabayaan nyo yung mga resort eh. Hindi na to, ano eh.
Yes, ma'am. Kasi
hindi na to ordinary eh. Na
Madam Chair,
yung mga
kasi
naandun eh.
ang premise po naroon sila sa multiple use zone
Na wala
ang
sila
court
doon dati, binigyan nyo lang ng right na pumunta doon, wala doon.
Ma'am,
Puro
in the-
sila, ang mga years nila, 2020, 2021, 2022.
Yung
Hindi
pong-
naman yan nung panahon ni Kulas eh. Siguro nung
Yes.
panahon ni Kulas, wala naman napunta dun eh. Kaya wala eh. Ngayon, they saw an opportunity to earn, di ba? Oh. Kaya
Ma'am.
pinag-interesan na nila
Madam
yun.
Chair, if I may.
Dapat
1927 pa po alienable or disposable
Ayan, alam
yung
ko.
area.
Pero may nagtayo ba ng resort noong 1927?
Tapos natituluhan na po. Yung pong
Oh.
resort is a result of exercise
Actually,
Eh,
of the
mala
rights.
sila
Madam
kasi
Chair.
nalagay sila sa protected
Madam Chair,
area.
meron ho ba dun sa hill na titled? Maraming hills ang titled.
Yes, ma'am. If I may...
How many hills? How many hills are titled? To individuals
30% of the alienable or disposable lands.
are yung hill mismo.
Yes, covering yung between and over the hills.
Privately
Eh,
owned.
Yes, titled.
Yeah. Siguro can we request LRA to part ng submission nila?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, we submitted some of the information po to the
Do you have
Secretariat.
data na dun sa Captain Speak kung yung title niya nakasulat agricultural?
Your Honor, we have here right now the Register of Deeds for Bohol Province. Maybe he can inform the body. May he be recognized?
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. For the Captain's Peak Garden and Resort, yung ano po is dalawang siyang title. Yung isa is 1 hectare, yung may pool, may swimming pool, at saka yung isa na nasa tapat is 2 hectare siya, bali yung garden nila.
Ng hill?
Parang
Flat
ano
lang.
po siya sa portion. May ano po kami yung sa PowerPoint sana para makita yung
No, agriculture, pakita mo na. Tapos agricultural siya or hindi
wala
walang
kasi
ganon?
hindi kasi indicated sa title po. Bali patent issued po siya galing DENR, tapos yung sa amin is registration po. Bali, yung makita lang yung classification niya is sa tax declaration po ng LGU. Yung administrative titling ng DENR po. Katibayan ng original na titulo yung
May extra, ano yan eh, yung patent. Pag patent ang title mo, may restriction yan eh. Ano restriction
yung 5
ng
years
patent?
po na restriction,
Ano restriction ng patent?
hindi ma-transfer within 5 years. Bale.
Bakit hindi matatransfer within 5
From
years?
ano ba?
Was
From
it-
DENR, diretso siya dun sa original owner ngayon?
Yes,
or
from the ENR po, mag-transmit po sila sa office ng dalawang title form, yung vault copy at saka yung owner's copy.
and for this property, it's one owner. Hindi yan na ano na may previous
Transfer na
owner.
po siya.
May previous owner?
Yes po, oo.
So secondary owner
Secondary
yung
na po
may-ari.
siya, yung ngayon.
Na itinransfer sa kanya within that restriction ng patent?
Yung pag-issue ng patent po is 1996, tapos nabili niya na transfer po 2007 po.
So within, sinunod niya yung restriction?
Yeah, more than na po.
Yung ba lang ang restriction ng patent?
Yun lang po yung nakalagay. Basta may
Hindi,
yung
ikaw na taga land register, LRA ka. Alam ko yan, patent, may ibang klase yan eh. Hindi madali yan eh. Ano yung patent? Ikaw, nasa LRA ka. Ano yung patent? Ba't sinasabing patent?
yung patente po is yung parang nag-apply siya ng yung parang yung imperfect title yung sa lupa. Bali siya yung parang
Patent.
bali siya po yung nag-apply po sa DENR for titling po. Then tapos si DENR naman po yung mag-issue ng title form at itatransmit po sa office for registration. As to sa supporting documents po na itatransmit ni DENR, bali yung title, dalawang title form lang po at saka yung transmittal letter. Yun lang po yung matatanggap namin. Tapos maghingi kami ng yung sa registered owner, yung nakalagay, maghingi kami ng tax declaration niya at saka yung tax clearance po niya. Then yun for i-register na po sa office. So as to supporting documents for the processing of the application po, wala po sa amin, wala po kaming copy. Basta original certificate of title po.
And walang nakasulat na agricultural.
Wala po.
Wala, okay.
Oo.
Thank
Yung
you.
form lang po.
Thank you.
Oh, 97.